Hello and welcome to your mat. Today we're going to move through a grounding, fully seated yoga sequence. You can do this when you are a little low on energy and really just need to relax and get a good stretch. So start in the center of your mat in an easy cross-legged position. You're going to start inhaling your hands up to the sky and exhale, twisting to your right. Left hand on your right knee. And take a few breaths here. Getting some movement in your body for the first time. Inhale your hands back up to the sky and exhale, twist to your left. Gently looking over your left shoulder. Keep your gaze soft, maybe close your eyes. Inhale and return your hands back up to center, to the sky. Now we'll move into a bit of a side bend. So exhale, release your right arm to the ground, bending to the right, reaching with your left arm over your ear. Take your gaze up and under your bicep, or just let your neck drop and relax. Keep your left hip pinned to the ground, so you're really getting a stretch through the side body. Inhale, return up, reaching skywards. And we'll switch. Left arm comes to the ground, right arm reaches overhead. Gaze up or down, letting the neck drop completely. On an inhale, come back up to center. Now we're going to take this folding right towards the center, over your cross legs. Reach your hands as far as they'll go. Let your head drop and relax. Really just melt into this fold. Inhale and slowly walk your hands back in, chest back upright. We'll switch the cross of our leg. So whichever leg was in front, now the opposite one's in front. Fold forward once again. Same thing, letting the arms and head and chest and belly all drop. Getting a nice stretch in the hips. Inhale once again and walk your hands back up. Chest back upright. So now we'll take this into a wide-legged forward fold. Reach your legs out wherever is comfortable, maybe at a 90 degree, maybe more or less, depending on what's comfortable in your body. Flex your toes. Inhale, reach up and lengthen, and exhale with that length, stretch forward. However far you go is fine. Relax where you are. On your inhales, you can get some length in your chest. And exhale, release in deeper. Inhale for length. And exhale to drop in even further. Good, inhale your way back up. Now we'll come into a Janusirsasana. So keep your right leg reaching forward. Bring your left foot in to like a tree pose, touching the inside of your right thigh. Inhale, reach up. And exhale, stretch long over the right leg. Good. Inhale. Slowly rise out of that pose. Now we'll take this into a bit of a side bend. So from where you were, open that left knee out. So you're more of in a 90 degree, like that wide-legged forward fold. Reach your right arm down your inner leg, touching your right, holding onto your right foot if possible. Inhale your left hand to the sky, and exhale, reach overhead. Again, looking up or letting your neck relax, just as in that side bend we did earlier. Inhale and rise on up. And we'll do that on our left side. So left side, forward fold, Janusirsasana. Left leg straight out, right foot to left inner thigh. Reach up again and fold forward over the left leg, holding on to the left foot if that's within your reach. Getting a nice stretch to the back of the left hamstring and right hip. Inhale and rise on up again. Opening up the right knee to come into that side bend once again. Left arm reaches wherever it can on the left leg. Right arm reaches straight up towards the sky at first, and then maybe falls over the right ear, getting a nice side bend through the right side of your body. Relaxing the head and neck, relaxing the shoulders. Inhale and rise on up. Let's come bringing your heels to the ground. Maybe mat's width, maybe a little wider. And let's just windshield wiper our knees, dropping them over to the left, inhaling back up, and dropping them over to the right. Move through these on your own pace with your own breath. Really flossing into your hips, getting into any stuck parts. Good. Now, sit with your feet hips width on the mat. Hands behind you, about 6 inches. We'll come to a seated figure 4. Take your right ankle and cross it over your left knee. Adjust your hands to wherever makes that comfortable. Adjust your left foot in or out to wherever makes this stretch comfortable. You want to feel a nice stretch throughout your hip. You don't want it to feel too tight and pulling. Nice place where you can relax. I like to sway my hips left and right while I'm here as well. If it feels good, you can walk your hands in a little closer, your left foot a little closer. As long as you can keep your chest up. Good, release that stretch. Maybe walk your hands and feet back out so we can switch to the other side. Cross your left knee, left ankle on top of your right knee. Sway a little bit here if that feels nice. Maybe walking your hands and foot in a little bit. If you feel like you can go a little further. Good, release that. And we'll come into our final grounding pose of the day, a seated forward fold. Reach your feet out long, hips width apart or feet together. Inhale and reach up to the sky. Exhale, fold forward, reaching towards your feet. Your hands may land on your shins or your ankles, or they may be able to reach behind and grab the bottoms of your feet. Wherever you are, relax your head into the pose. And we'll stay here for a few breaths. Inhale, look forward and rise on up. Return back to a comfortable seated position, cross-legged in the middle of your mat. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths here. I hope you feel more grounded after practicing this yoga sequence. Thanks as always for being here with me. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below letting me know what you thought. Have a great day.